Okay, so this video is to show you how to just do a really rough sketch of your floor plan. And I essentially like to just go to each room really quick in my house or in any house that I'm gonna go to, and I kind of just sketch it out real quick. Does it really matter if it's proportionate in size? Not really, you're just getting information. And so like, I know that my house is in the shape of a rectangle, pretty much. And so it's just gonna be really quick. You can do a second line. Like this. And so this is essentially my front door is here, and I like to put these two lines with a way to indicate that which way my door opens. And so this line being the door, this curved line indicates the door swing. Now I know I made it way too big. I also have a window right here, and so that's how I draw a window, is I'll put like that, and then this line in between these two lines to indicate that that's a window. And now I do know that there is a wall right here, and there's openings to a hallway, and there are this wall extends this way and comes out here. There. And this is an opening here, so I can erase this. I know that there is a wall over here, and this is kitchen, so I'll label it dining, living room, and let's see, let's go down here, and there's another wall here, and we have a wall here, here, and there. This is a bathroom. This is bedroom. I'll just let bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and this is bedroom 3. Now, if you have closets, you're gonna have to identify the closets as well. And this one does have a closet here, and this one has a closet here. And actually, this goes like this. Now, I'm doing this by memory. I would definitely walk around, look, and you might want to go to each room and sketch. So, actually this is right. This is right, and this comes out to here. Right, and then there's a door here, here. Door opens this way. Door here, here. Door opens this way, swings that way. Door here. Oh, there is a closet here. And there is a closet that goes this way. Here. And you will have to measure the closets. I want to say this closet here is like that. There we go. So bedroom, bath, kitchen, dining, living room. All right, there's also windows. Windows here. I don't know the size. There's a window here. And there's a window, there's two windows here. Here's where the toilet is. There's a wall right here. And then here is the tub. And there's a window here. Ah, there's also a window here in the kitchen. There's a window here. And there's also a door here. Opens this way. There we go. Let me think, what else? Bathroom door. Swings this way. Oh, there's an opening here too. Erase that. And there you have it. So I have cabinetry here. There's a stove here. And there's more cabinetry here. There's also cabinetry here. Fridge, more cabinetry all the way. And then there's a sink. Let's see. Yeah, that's it. That's how you just do a rough sketch. You try and fill it up as much as possible. And then you go around and you measure. You measure from here to here. And, you know, you can, I would put the measurement of the wall in a different color. You know, let's just say this was, I don't know, 50 feet. And let's just say this is, I want to say this is 5 feet. So I would use a different color for windows and doors. I don't know where my other colored pens went, but I can use my colored pencils. I do have red, and let's use green. So let's just say this is 5 feet. 5 feet by 6. Yeah, let's just say 5 feet by 5 feet. This is the measurement of windows, so I can make myself windows, walls. doors. You know, this could be, let's just say this is 3 feet. 3 feet by 6'8". This is actually standard. The width is what you'll have to measure. My front door is pretty wide. I want to say it's 4 feet. By 6'8". And if you've never seen this before, this indicates feet and this indicates inches. So feet, inches. And you know, you just go around the house and you take these measurements. You take the measurements from here to here. You know, let's just say that's 15 feet. You already have the measurements for the walls. I would also do this measurement right here. Find out what that is. And I think mine, I want to say it's like 3 inches. 3 inches. And then, you know, from here to here, 6 inches. And then keep going. I would take this measurement from here to here. I could probably do something like this and say, okay, that is, let's just say it's 3 foot 6 inches. And the opening, you know, maybe I use a different color for the opening, or, you know, since it's kind of like a doorway where you walk through, I can use the same color as the doors. And so let's just say that is 3 feet. And by 6'8". Right, and then just keep going. You know, that, let's say this is 3 feet. And I would stick to 1 room until you're complete. And so the measurement from here to here, let's just say this is 2 inches. And the measurement from here to here, I don't know, I should say that's 12 inches. And this window is 8 feet. 8 feet by 5 feet. And this measurement right here, from the end of the window to the wall, is 3 inches. And then from here to here, we could just say that's around 22 feet. But you're gonna actually measure this. I mean, I'm doing this for the sake of the video so you guys can learn. I forgot, wrong color. And so if I do that, I'll do this, just to make sure that I'm in compliance with my legend over here. And so this is a 3-foot window by 4 feet. And then I would go, so I got everything here, and then I'll go down here, measure this from here to here. Let's just say that's 10 feet. And the measurement from here to here is, let's make it 9. 9 feet. This opening, where's my green? 3 feet. From here to here. And You know, if this is too crowded, I would do a bigger sketch, and that way you can get more. Same with the bathroom. If that gets a little too crowded on this, you know, small sketch, okay, well then do an enlarged sketch of just this room or just this room, and that's it. That's how you do it. All right, enjoy.